Welcome to this tutorial. The main idea behind Gridbox Zero is building content apps using field plugins. As you've seen in the previous lessons, fields provide a structured and efficient way to manage your content. However, Gridbox offers even more flexibility. You can integrate the Gridbox Page Builder into your Zero items, allowing each item to include fully customized page content alongside its structured fields. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Gridbox Page Builder inside Zero items. Adding the Gridbox Page Builder to Zero items is done using the Page Content plugin. We've already worked with this plugin in the Gridbox blog, and now we'll see how it works in a Zero app. Let's open the single post layout of our Events app. Add the Page Content plugin to the position where you want the Page Builder content to appear. Save the layout. And now, let's open the Item Submission page. As you can see, the Submission page now contains two tabs. The first tab, Item Submission, includes all of the fields you've added to your app. The second tab, Page Content, opens the Gridbox Page Builder. Here you'll find all the familiar Page Builder tools, including responsive editing, undo and redo, the page structure panel, the library with saved plugins and sections, and the editing canvas itself. Let's add a new section. Notice that the section doesn't span the full width of the editor. This is because Gridbox automatically detects the width of the parent column where the Page Content plugin is placed in the single post layout. As a result, the editor provides an accurate preview of how your content will appear on the front end. From here, you can use every feature of the Gridbox Page Builder, along with all available plugins, to create completely custom layouts for your items. I'll insert a pre-built section from the library. Once it's added, save the page and let's open the item on the front end. As you can see, the content created with the Gridbox Page Builder appears exactly where the Page Content plugin was placed in the single post layout. This approach combines the best of both worlds. Use fields to manage structured content that's shared across all items, and use the Gridbox Page Builder whenever you need complete design freedom for a specific item. This gives you the flexibility to create rich, unique pages while keeping your content organized and easy to manage. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.